So today I'm going to show you how to make a piece of paper for a model set that's 1/6 scale. So, so we know that if our scale is 1/6, that means a 6-foot tall person would be a 12-inch tall model. So I have this piece of paper here. Anyway, here, let me scoot this over so there we go. And so I know I need a piece of paper is 8.5 by 11. So just roughly, that would probably be about 2 inches long, less than that. So I know that this is 12 inches on 1 inch here, so that would make our 1 inch. There, and that's 2 inches right there. So we know that this would be a little too long. This would be a foot, so we need 11 inches. So we'll come off this edge here. So take my scissors and I'll trim a little bit off. Let's see, that would be 6, that would be 3. So that would be 1.5, so we'll just take about that much. And that's approximately, our 11-inch mark on this side of our paper. Okay, so that's 11. So if we know that's going to be 11, we can take our scrap here, trim it to there. And if we know that's 11, then if we fold it in half, that would make 5.5. So 5.5 is 11 inches. So that's 5.5 mark. And fold it again. That would make it 2.25. And that would make it 1 1/8 right there. So, okay, so that's 5-inch mark, 6, 7, that's 5.5, 6, 7.25, that makes 7 3/4, and that would make it 8 1/8. So what we know is 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're going to back off because we know those fractions are there. So we'll give it a little trim right approximately right here. Okay, and that gives us our 8.5-inch mark approximately. So for our model, we have our 2-inch. Let's see, that was 1, and then that was less. Yes, okay, so that's 11 inches, and so this would be the 8.5-inch mark to there. Oh, the sun is moving in. Let me move over a little. It's pretty bright. Anyway, so right there, it's kind of hard to see. That's going to be it right there. So that should be approximate model. I need to straighten the edges up. That's the approximate size of a model sheet of paper for a 1/6 scale model. So that would be your 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. And now I can go cut a bunch out of regular paper and stack them up, and it'll look like a sheet of papers for our stop motion video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.